Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to downgrade or uninstall iOS 26 update to iOS 18. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version, that is iOS 26, and now you want to downgrade to iOS 18, here I will show you how can you do this without a computer. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now open settings on your device, and from here scroll it below and tap on screen time, and then scroll it below and tap on content and privacy restrictions and turn off the toggle for content and privacy restrictions from here. So guys, do this, and after this go back, and now you have to go to general and then go to iPhone storage, and from here tap on automatic updates and turn off the toggle for automatically install. So I simply turn it off. After this go back and tap on beta updates, and from here tap on off and turn off the beta updates from here as well. So I simply do this, and after this go back, and now you have to simply go to general section again and then scroll it below all the way, and from here tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset all settings of your device for one time. After this go back and now tap on erase all content and settings from here as well. So guys, simply do this, and after this your device will be downgraded to iOS 18. So guys, in this way you can also downgrade or uninstall iOS 26 from your iPhone, and then your device will be downgraded to iOS 18. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.